Quick question. What country has more active volcanoes than any other, 10% of the planet's total, yet is smaller than Alaska? Yep, Indonesia. One mountain there, Tambora, once blocked the sun so badly that snow fell in June and bread prices tripled in Paris. Wild, right? Stick around. Today we're hiking crater rims, tasting ash-fertilized rice, and finding out why 270 million people basically live on a powder keg, and actually like it. Imagine 3 tectonic plates arm wrestling. The Australian plate dives under the Eurasian plate at roughly the same speed your fingernails grow. Not fast, but relentless. Meanwhile, the Pacific plate pokes in from the east, and every so often the Indo-Australian plate cracks like a dropped plate. Boom, magma. All that molten rock rises, cools into a 1,864-mile chain called the Sunda Arc, and turns into stratovolcanoes so explosive they make Hollywood CGI look like cheap fireworks. 13,000 islands, 130 active volcanoes, and not a single dull day. April 10, 1815. Mount Tambora decides to blow the top third of itself into the sky. The bang is heard 1,600 miles away. 40 cubic kilometers of rock and ash block the sun for a year. The next year, 1816, is literally the year without a summer. Crops fail from China to Ireland. 90,000 people die worldwide. Parisian bakers jack up bread prices. Poets stuck inside write dark and dreary verses. Ice cores prove the planet cooled nearly a full degree, all because of one volcano on the tiny island of Sumbawa. And guess what? It's already rebuilding its cone. Jump to 1883, Krakatoa, sitting pretty between Java and Sumatra, explodes at 10:02 a.m. on August 27th. Loudest sound in recorded history. Barometers in London register the shockwave. 2/3 of the island vanishes. Tsunamis erase 36,000 lives, and sunsets turn blood red for months. Fast forward to today, Anak Krakatau, kid of Krakatoa, is already 300 meters tall and grumbling. The reboot never stops. Now meet Merapi, Java's moodiest volcano. Every few years it burps pyroclastic flows, 1,000-degree gas avalanches that move faster than a Formula One car. The 2010 blast killed 350 people, yet 5 million people still live within 10 kilometers. Why? Because the same ash that buries homes also grows 3 rice crops a year. Locals joke Merapi fertilizes with fire. Kids learn fast. White plume, stay in school. Black plume, grab the goats and run. Oh, and once a year, the Sultan of Yogyakarta hikes up with rice and coconuts to keep the mountain spirits chill. Science and tradition, same trail. Indonesia averages 15 eruptions a year. Some pop like microwave popcorn, others trend worldwide. 2020, Mount Sinabung shoots ash 5,000 meters up. 2021, Mount Semeru lava torches coffee fields. 2023, Anak Krakatau's lava fireworks break the internet. Same drill every time. Seismographs twitch, village loudspeakers scream, families pile onto motorbikes with chickens in baskets. The Volcanological Survey of Indonesia, founded 1920, monitors 120 volcanic cones in real time and texts alerts in 3 languages. During the 1982 Galunggung eruption, they evacuated 75,000 people and lost only 63 lives. That's what be prepared looks like when the stakes are literally fire and brimstone. Ask a farmer near Mount Bromo, and they'll shrug. The volcano's our neighbor. Every year during Kasada, villagers toss chickens, veggies, even cash into the crater as a thank you gift. The Tengarese believe the mountain spirit guards the caldera. A smoking crater means the deal's still good. Same vibe across the islands. Bali's Mount Agung is a god's front porch. Lombok's Mount Rinjani crater lake is sacred turf shared by Muslims and Hindus. These stories aren't just folklore, they're survival hacks. Sacred ground gets respect. Lower slopes get farms. Fast crops beat the next ash fall. Culture beats seismographs by about 1,000 years. Climate change crashes the party. Hotter oceans spawn monster storms that wash ash into cement-like lahars, leveling villages long after the eruption. Rising seas make tsunami risk even nastier. But Indonesia keeps growing. The population around Bromo Tengger Semeru doubled in 20 years. Scientists call it co-evolution with risk, which is fancy talk for, we're stuck together, let's dance. Drones check lava domes, Phones ping e-wallets with evacuation cash, and school kids sprint 2-minute drills to safe zones. The plan isn't escape, it's tango. Next time you taste Java's volcanic rice or scroll past Anak Krakatau's glow, remember the real show is underground. The Australian plate is still sliding, still melting, still writing the next chapter, one ash cloud at a time. If stories about fire, food, and fearless humans are your thing, smash subscribe. The Ring of Fire isn't finished, it's just warming up.